Okay, good morning to all. Today we are going to explain last class trigonometry 11.4, 4th and 5th problem completed. Now I am going to explain question number 6. Yes, question number 6. Simplify sec A into 1 minus sin A sec A plus tan A. So what is the first identity? Do you know first identity? Sin square
theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1.
Very good. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is the first identity. What is the second identity? Sec square theta minus tan square theta
is equals to 1.
Next. Come on, what is the third identity? Cosec square theta
minus cot square
theta equal to 1. So these are three identities of trigonometry, very important. Next, what are the reciprocal? First reciprocal is, what is the first?
sin square
Sin theta.
sin theta into
Cosec theta.
is equal to 1.
Next, what is the second?
Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1.
Very good. Next,
Tan theta into
very good.
cot theta equal to 1.
Very good, excellent. So these three identities and reciprocals. How to solve this question? So what is given in the question? We can observe that simplify sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. Sec A plus tan A, sec A plus tan A, multiply with first these two. Sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. So sec A into 1 minus sin A, same like numbers, 1 into sec A. What is the answer? 1 into sec A? 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 3, 1 into 4, 1 into 5. Similarly, 1 into sec A, sec A, 1 into sec A, sec A, minus sec A into sin A, sec A into sin A. Sec A into 1, sec A, plus into minus, plus into minus, plus into minus, sec A into sin A. So what is this? Is right as it is, sec A plus tan A, sec A plus tan A. So observe that cos theta into sec theta equal to 1, cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. What is sec theta? Sec theta equal to 1 by, very good, 1 by, very good, 1 by cos theta. So sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, sec A equal to 1 by cos A, 1 by cos A. So write sec A minus 1 by cos A into sin A into sec A plus tan A. Write sec A as it is again, minus 1 into sin A divided by cos A into sec A plus tan A. So we know that very well about that formula, sin theta divided by cos theta equal to tan theta. What is that? Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta equal to tan theta. So what is sin A by cos A? Sin theta by cos theta equal to Very good. Sin A by cos A. Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta ra. We get theta. Sin theta cos theta we get tan theta. Here sin A by cos A. We get same sin A by cos A. What is this? Sin theta by cos A. Sin theta by cos theta, what is the answer? Tan theta. Tan theta answer. Sin A by cos A. Sin theta by cos theta equal to? For example, substitute in the place of theta A by A. We get? Come on, tell me sin A by cos A. Very good. Sec A minus tan A into sec A plus tan A. It is formula, you know, A minus B into, this is A plus B. A minus B into A plus B formula, A square minus B square. A square minus B square. So, what is A? Sec A. Sec square A minus tan square A equal to, do you know this formula? Same formula. Observe these two. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. What is that? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Sec square A minus tan square A. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Sec square A minus tan square A. Very good. 1 is the correct option. This is the RHS. Okay, question number 6 is completed. All trigonometric identities, when we have to solve, show that and prove that formulas, you can learn the first these three identities and reciprocals. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Next, sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1 reciprocals, cos theta into sec theta equal to 1, and tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Now I am going to explain question number 7. Okay, next question. Question number is 7. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So prove that. So take LHS. So what is LHS? Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Sin A plus cosec A whole square, it is in the form of which formula? This is A plus this is B. A plus B whole square. Which formula? A plus B whole square. Come on, tell me. A plus B whole square. Whole square. So what is the formula A plus B whole square? Anyone stand up and tell me the formula.
A square plus B square equals to 2AB.
Plus
2AB.
come on, tell me. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay. So convert this. Sin A plus cosec A whole square. A square means this is the A, sin A. Square, sin square A. A square, sin square A. Plus B square, cosec square A. Plus 2 into sin A into cosec A. Yes, listen. Sin A plus, it is in the form of A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. A is sin square A. B is cosec square A plus 2AB. 2 into sin A into cosec A. Same formula. Yes, apply that. Cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 into cos A into sec A. 2 into cos A plus sec A. Yes, observe that sin square A plus cos square A. What is the answer? Sin square A plus cos square A. Identity, first identity. Sin square A, yes.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1.
Same, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Very good. Next, sin A into cosec A. Sin A into cosec A. Formula, sin theta
Sin theta
into
cosec theta
E-
equal to 1.
very good. So, place, please